Now then guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so tonight I'm here at my local little pond. Not very big, not a runs water. It's quite a, it's not hard water, but it's very moody as such. But yeah, I've been here. If you look at a very hard session, I was down here with Matthew before. If you look back on that vlog, guys, you'll see I've been here before. I haven't been here for about since then, to be fair, about a year and a half. But I just fancied a change. Come down here just for a quick 24-hour, 23. You know, I'm off. Got here at 4. I've got to be off tomorrow by 4, half 4. So depending how tonight goes. But yeah, so basically I'll show you now, because so let me turn you guys around, flip you right. So there's the lake, there's my humble abode for the night and whatnot. So my right hand rod is, get you on there. So you've got this tree here. It's literally about a foot off the tree there, about a foot from the tree and a foot from the bank. So it's up tight, a few bubbles and activity there. And my left hand rod is literally, where are we? See that tree there? It's about a rod length and a half off that, coming back towards me. 3/4 of a length, 3/4 out from this bank. About, yeah, I've seen a fish jump there and a few bubbles there as well. The water's a bit high at the moment. It's 6.5, 7 foot. It's normally about 6 foot, so not majorly high, just a bit. There's no spawning at the moment. They haven't spawned yet, so if they decide to start spawning tomorrow, that'll be me up and gone. But yeah, so let me turn you guys back round. So yeah, bait wise, I'm using octopus baits, butter crunch pop-ups, along with marine haze boilie, with chili, I think it's chili. Let me have a look. Along with, yeah, chili oil. Went to tackle shop and that's all they had, so I thought, why not? I've never used it, let's try it. Along with some pellet I get from my mate. But yeah, so apart from that, guys, don't know if you've heard, but I've had a few beeps. Nothing major. So yeah, let's hope we can get a bend in the rod, because this is more of a night water, I believe. So we'll go from there. A lot of success in the night with this water. Before, I used to fish this quite a lot, every weekend, every other weekend and whatnot. So I know the water, I know the stuff, you know, I know about the water. It's a very silty water, very silty bottom, and it's a moody. It can be moody. Some days you can catch in a day session 4, 5, maybe 6 fish. Sometimes you come out, other people are catching the day before, come the next day you can have nothing. You know, so it is a very moody lake. But on that note, guys, I'm going to sign out and sit back and Netflix, I think. It's not quite time for dinner, my pot noodle yet. I rushed out this morning. I was out with the family. I rushed out, got back at 4. I rushed out. Right, I'm going fishing, and it was planned, obviously. And I forgot all my like meals and stuff like that. So I went to the shop, got some pot noodles. So not too bad. But anyway, I'll sign out, stop waffling, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hopefully with a fish. Tight lines, guys. What a beauty. This is so switched to a bottom bait, and oh, okay. Yeah, so to give you a picture, look at that. Let's turn it around, have a look at the other side. Angry. That beautiful. Let's give it away. Slide my hands. Yeah, mate. So sling weighed off. Ooh, 12 pound. A bit bigger than that, but 12 pound, lovely mirror. Let's have another look at it then, guys. Oh. Okay. Beautiful, blanks over. There we are. Right, let's get this back in the water then. Lovely. 12 pound. Blank saver, lovely zip mirror, buzzing. So then, guys, literally left rod again, same spot, literally minutes apart from each other. So it's only a baby, but oh, not again. Yeah, so carnage at the moment. There's only a baby, about £10. Let's get it up and have a look at it. If we can, come on you. That's it, come on back. Yeah. Lovely common, angry, but if we can get it up. On there, about £9, £10. Let's give it away. £9–10, lovely common on butter crunch pop-ups. It seems to be doing the thing. Yeah, £8. So yeah, come on you. Lovely £8 common, again butter crunch. Yeah, butter crunch pop up, butter crunch boilie. Yeah, butter crunch boilie topped off with butter crunch pop up. Few marine haze, 2 or 3 marine haze, 4 maybe. Freebies. That seems to be happening. Get in. Now then guys, so as you see, a bit of a mad rush. Yeah, very cold night, didn't sleep very well at all, getting beeps and beeps, but nothing, and then nothing all day. We've seen a few fizzes and a few bubbles and that, but and I see right in the corner fizzing near the tree, so I got my boat out, literally put it in there, and before I even set the rod, it had gone. And that was the £12 mirror. No, yeah, £12 mirror. And literally put that back in, got the rod back out, and same again, same spot. 5 minutes later, your little common. So I'm happy. So yeah, so that's the blank saver done. That's the blank done now. So I'm happy. But yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna have a celebrational brew, and I'll show you in the spot in a bit all the spots where I changed to. Catch you in a bit, guys. So then, guys, I can show you where I'm fishing now. So yeah. Let me flip you guys around. So my right hand rod is in under that tree. It's about 1.5 feet from there, so it's about there, and it's about 1.5 feet away from the bank, so it's tight. I've had nothing on that one yet, but there's been a few shows there as such, as in like fizzing and stuff like that. But the 2 quick fire ones, so basically you've got this overhanging tree here. I am literally, so you got that white one and the green one in there. There's this little break in the weeds on the side, and I am literally in there. Literally the first one went off. I just got the boat back, I didn't even set it up yet, and it just gone. And about 5–10 minutes later, I'd done the same thing, and literally from getting the first fish out to putting the rod back out, within the 10 minutes of that, it went off again for the little common. So bait wise, let me turn you guys around. Obviously you've seen it before, I've shown you guys before. So I'm using, before I was just using a butter crunch pop-up because it's quite silty. So my right one, I've got a marine haze pop-up, marine haze bottom bait, sorry, with a shaved off butter crunch pop-up on top of that. And my left one, literally I've just stuck, I thought I had the same as the right one, but no, it was basically two marine haze bottom baits on there from Octopus. Yeah, and you know, it just seemed to be the bottom bait. It went. Excuse me. So basically, what the bait I'm using, as you can see, is Octopus bait, marine haze and butter crunch. So what I'm doing with my boat, I'm just putting a bit of pellet in I get from a mate, and then literally put it on 5-6 marine haze boilies as freebies, and a bag of 2 or 3 boilies in there. Obviously marine haze boilies just so it's close to the actual hook bait, and then my 2 marine haze on the hair. So a nice little cluster around the hook, around the bait, and yeah, I've put a bit of chili oil on it and sprinkled a little bit of robin red dust on it just to give it that disperse in the water and that, and it seemed to work the trick. So basically I've done the same with my right rod, apart from I've got a marine haze bottom bait and a butter crunch, a shaved butter crunch pop up on that. Yeah, I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket, so I've just keep the same bait going in, just a little change to the pop up. So I'm only here for another 3-4 hours. So yeah, I'm happy. 2 fish. A bit of a manic, to be fair. Another thing, I think one of my alarms have gone. I need to repair that. So it's not going off when the the roller goes round. It looks like there's a bit of rubber missing there, so I might have to open it up and have a look at that. But apart from that, I'm happy, very happy. So yeah, I'm gonna try and finish me a celebrational brew now. It's been sat in there for 10 minutes, probably cold now. So yeah, right side, the weather's picked up. Really windy this morning, wasn't calm at all. It's nice and calm now. So yeah, trying to see if I can see the fish showing on the surface. Not yet, no. But yeah, here we are, guys. So happy days, happy days. Tight lines, guys. Now then, guys, so that's it. 24 hours done. Not a bad session. 2 fish. Yeah, 2 fish. Not bad. Quick fire bites. So yeah, went quiet after that. The wind, it was weird weather. It was going nice and sunny and calm, and then it was going really windy and overcast. It's like, what is this? Didn't know if it was coming or going, but yeah. So Matthew's with me next session, sorry. But we were just doing a quick 24. Yeah, so stay tuned for that one, guys. If you like the content, obviously hit that subscribe button. We do need you to help us grow. Yeah, so share it. And any criticism, constructive criticism, guys, just a comment, share it. It's all welcome. Yeah, but so Octopus Baits did it again. So I was looking back at the footage and kept saying like butter crunch boilies and stuff. I wasn't using butter crunch boilies. I was using butter crunch pop-ups and marine haze boilies. See, the one that I caught was just marine haze bottom, just 2 boilies on a hair as a bottom bait, and the other one was a marine haze boilie with a shaved butter crunch pop-up. So yeah, I was looking back at it all, and I was just like, well, made a bit of a cock up there, didn't I? But yeah, never mind. But yeah, but still octopus products, you know, so good products. I did have the butter crunch liquid, but I've used that, so I used all that on my syndicate, which is, you know, I haven't caught on that yet, but we're getting there. So but anyway guys, so yeah, again, if you like content, like, subscribe, share it, hit that, I don't know, comment or whatever on it, you know, constructive criticism is all welcome. Anyway, on that guys, cheers for watching, catch you in the next one. Tight lines.